Hi, my name is Praise. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from images to retain the image quality. Alright. I will be showing you some of the images removed some of the images the app helped in removing the background. Alright. We go to our browser. And you type nohat.cc. Okay. Now, for you to be able to use this app, you have to register with your email and your password. Okay. So we go to background remover. Alright, we click on background remove. We scroll up. And you see upload. You click on your upload. Click on your file. Then search for the picture to remove the background. Okay, let's choose this. So it's processing. So we download. You click on download and the image downloads. You hold on it and download image. Okay, we go again. We click on upload. And we choose another picture. It's processing. Okay, so we download. Okay, we go for the third one. It's processing again. And we click download. So the 3 pictures have downloaded. So we go to we open a Pixel Lab. We go to gallery and we pick the pictures we downloaded. third one. So that is it. So with this app, you can remove your background and also retain your image quality. nohat.cc. Thank you for watching.